Okay.
Hi, this is Elyse again, and I'm making fried grits. These are day-old cheese grits with bacon and a little bit of onion in them. We dip them in the eggs, and then dip them in the flour, and then dip them back in the eggs, and then dip them in breadcrumbs. And then we put it in the deep fryer. It only takes them like a minute to cook, so you don't have to take that long to cook them. And I'm going to already get some others ready. They are almost done. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to get a plate out for them. We love grits in the South, so that's one reason that I'm making fried grits, because it's such a home-cooked meal and they're very good. So now they are done. We're going to turn it off or turn it down. Now, right now, I'm going to get a fork, and I'm going to take them out.